Hi, Barry Callister for Barry Callister Photography and Photographer's Freedom. Last week I was talking about ways to make money with photography as a beginner, and I gave you 5 great tips on getting started earning cash with your photography even if you're just starting out. If you haven't seen that video, there's a link up in the right hand corner of the video right now to go and watch it. And in that video I mentioned that I was going to talk this week about a resource that could teach you how to do all of that and more. So that's what I'm going to do. Don't go away. So what is this magical resource that can teach you all of those things and more? Because let's face it, that was quite a varied list of things. I mean, you had stock photography, start a blog, start a YouTube channel, affiliate marketing, and make products with your photos. Could there possibly be one online resource that could teach you all of that and more? Well, I'm here to tell you that there is, and I'm here to tell you that it is Six Figure Mentors. Six Figure Mentors is an online marketing course and community that I've been a member of for over 13 months now. And I want to be perfectly honest with you here. I sat down to script this video a couple of nights ago, and I was typing out all the benefits of SFM, which are varied and huge, and I thought, what am I doing? Because it doesn't really matter what I say. If you are ready for something like the SFM, if you're ready to be signed up to an incredible online course that can teach you to build a business online and so many other things that I'll talk about in a moment, if you're ready for that, then you've probably already gone down to the video description, clicked on the link, and you're searching for more information yourself. And if you're not ready for it, then you've probably already clicked off and you're not watching this video anymore. So I thought I won't script this. I'm just going to do it off the cuff, and I'm just going to tell you about how SFM has changed my life and my mindset. So if you're still with me, I joined the SFM back in June of 2019, and since then it's been an incredible roller coaster of learning and personal growth and just making new friends and learning new skills, and it's absolutely incredible. The change in me has been just beyond anything I could have really hoped for. SFM can teach you business, yes, but before they do that, what they do is they help you with your mindset. They help you to get into the right state of mind to do business, and that's the most important thing. And who I am now compared to who I was 12 months ago, 13 months ago, is just completely different. I am a completely different person. Completely more positive, more driven towards success with my business, and I know so much more about online marketing, building websites, affiliate marketing. My YouTube videos have got better because of this. My organic marketing of my business has improved. Just, it's amazing. And my income is improving every single month. Now, it does cost a monthly fee to be a part of the SFM, but the value you get for that is just beyond words. You get access to LinkedIn Learning is one of the main things that has really impressed me, is the LinkedIn Learning courses that you get access to. You get access to over 10,000 courses. There's probably 20,000 or more, I don't know. There's so many courses in anything that you want to learn. Business management, online marketing, YouTube, using Adobe Premiere Pro, whatever you want, you can learn it. Now, SFM is not a photography course specifically, but in saying that, it is, because what it does is teach you how to build a business online around your passion. And you and I have a passion for photography. So in saying that, it is about photography. It's about everything to do with your photography and your mindset and your business. So really, I don't know what more to say about it. I mean, there's a great community in there of like-minded individuals, entrepreneurs who are building their own online businesses, who are willing to support you and befriend you and laugh and joke with you online all day long if you want. And they're just amazing people, and I've never been in an online community before that was so incredibly willing to help you, just drop everything and help you with whatever you need. So if you're ready to find out more about the SFM, like I said, there's a link in the video description below. Now, it is an affiliate link. If you sign up to the SFM, I will get a small commission from that. But if you do that, that's proof that it works. And that's proof that you too can not only learn and grow, but you can earn money while you do it. So if you're ready and you've already clicked the link, then I'm talking to myself and I don't really need to say any more. So there you have it. That is Six Figure Mentors, or SFM. As I said, if you're ready for it, you've probably already clicked the link and you're already having a look into it. If you're not ready, then, you know, good luck to you with whatever you do. Like I said, it has changed me in ways that I couldn't really even have ever thought possible, and it's just an amazing part of my life, and I'm so happy to be a member of it. It's the reason that I am able to be out here in this beautiful, beautiful coastal setting every single day, filming videos and taking photos and talking to you guys. It's a blessing, and I'm so grateful to have this life, but I know that it's been a lot of hard work for me, and that just makes it even more special, you know, is the fact that I've worked my butt off for this and it's finally coming together. So if you have any questions about the SFM or anything you've seen in this video, just put them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit subscribe and ding that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos from me in the future. Hit the like button too if you enjoyed this vid, and share it with others. Until next time, I'm Barry Callister of Barry Callister Photography and Photographer's Freedom. Get out there, take some wicked shots, and I'll see you soon.